basic question here. We're at the 18th Annual Tribeca Film Festival. The film is premiering here. Describe the feeling right now.
It's exciting.
Exciting, nervous, all the emotions you should be feeling when you're having a world premiere. Nobody's seen the film yet, so yeah.
And it's my hometown, so I'm particularly excited.
And this particular film, why? I mean, Linda Ronstadt, obviously her body of work and her voice speaks for itself, but why this story and why now?
She's a really inspiring artist who was never satisfied to just keep doing the same thing over and over again, and I found the story really inspiring.
She was really the first female pop superstar. I mean, for a younger generation. As Bonnie Raitt says in the film, she was the Beyonce of her time. And I think a lot of people have yet to have that experience of her, and in the film you really get to see her in her full glory.
And it's a time when she could be forgotten now because young people are familiar with her music but don't really know who she is and what a really special person she is. So it felt like a great opportunity to bring her music to a new audience and celebrate her with the audience that knows and loves her.
And with a career such as hers and the body of work, how do you tackle telling her story? How do you even begin to do that?
Well, we came to the story after hearing her on the radio and then reading her book, and we're so impressed by her own telling of her story, and that's how we decided we wanted to do it. We really wanted it to be in her voice, literally and musically and figuratively. So she really tells her own story, and that was important to us and to Linda.
And her story is a musical story. She calls her memoir a musical autobiography, and really that's what's important to her. And it's kind of a beautiful, refreshing thing to hear an artist talk about their life in terms of their art rather than in terms of their fame or being an influencer. She just really was all about the music.
And having Sheryl Crow perform, that's got to be extra special.
Yes.
Yeah, it'll be extra special for us and hopefully the audience too, I'm sure. But Sheryl, the film ends with Sheryl, Bonnie Raitt, Emmylou Harris, Stevie Nicks, and Carrie Underwood all singing a tribute concert to Linda at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So the fact that Sheryl wanted to extend that to live performance is really great.
Anything else? Yeah?
We had so much fun making the film. I hope audiences have as much fun watching it.